If there are a billion things going on in the cyber, it means securing the cyber tool will have to be securing a billion things. So it shows you how wide cybersecurity can be. So you need to be able to narrow down, know what you want to do, and know how you can go into cybersecurity and be successful within a very short time. Welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. Congratulations, and I want to thank everyone for joining this webinar. Welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. Uh, this seminar is targeted at people who are very, very much interested in launching their cybersecurity journey. And the reason why we're having this webinar is because I've come across a lot of people who found it very difficult knowing how to start on their cybersecurity journey. A lot of people have been trying out different things, trying out different course materials, and also know that most of the people who are trying to get into cybersecurity are already involved in one or two things or the other. What is your biggest challenge? So some of the biggest challenge we hear is balance time, challenge of time, which involves balancing learning with other commitments. Some people they are talking about costs. Trainings are actually expensive or can be very expensive. But there's a way around getting trained without spending, a fortune on it. If you're a beginner completely, so you can use Hackthebox if you have the time, the patience. And Hackthebox, just like TryHackMe too, has both the free and the paid platform. As always, start with the free. By the time you exhaust everything you can do with the free, you find out that you're already gone far, and you while saving money. So by the time you are done exhausting the free, courses that are there, you have built up some, good hands-on, and then you can now subscribe if you need to when you have decided to, because definitely the paid plans can definitely give you certain edge, especially when it comes to practicing and when it comes to testing your hands-on, capabilities. The paid will give you a lot more, features for you to use. And also certifications exams can also be very expensive, but there are also certification exams that are cheap. In fact, you can get some of them free. There are scholarships that are helping people to achieve certification exam, Computer Security Plus exam, or ISC2 certified in cybersecurity. And the good thing about it is that these exams are very affordable. In fact, the icing on the cake is that ISC2 certified in cybersecurity exam is free. You can do it for free. I did it for free when I took it. So it means it's free. So all you just need to apply, meet their standards, then take their courses. They have an online course. Go to their portal, read all these courses, take the free training, use their official guide, take the practice exam, and they will give you a voucher to go and write it. And remember, ISC2 is one of the most recognized organization when it comes to cybersecurity. They have one of the most coveted leadership cybersecurity exams is being hosted by ISCT. So ISCT is a world recognized, body when it comes to cybersecurity. And imagine they are giving you an entry into cybersecurity. Then experience. Some people say, "Oh, how do I accumulate experience when I don't have a job? How do you accumulate experience?" Well, there is a way you can accumulate experience, by building portfolio. So Hack the Box, provides real world scenarios, and it helped in launching my own, in launching out and also, hacking, getting some gigs out there. Like I always recommend for my students, TryHackMe is a go-to space if you are just starting. It has a structured approach. You can choose a learning path. By the time you exhaust all the free courses or the free rooms, they call it rooms, lessons that they have, your hand will be strong. You will have laid the foundation that you need, even for you to take your certification exam. Uncertainty in the sense of choosing the right path. So some people have a difficulty in knowing what to do. Cybersecurity is actually very wide. It's a very, very wide field. Why? Because the word cyber in itself is talking about the internet. And you can just think of how many things are going on the internet today. So the cyber world is jam-packed with a lot. There are 1,000 or 1 billion things happening in the cyberspace. And cybersecurity is talking about securing the cyber. So if there are 1 billion things going on in the cyber, it means securing the cyber tool will have to be securing 1 billion things. So it shows you how wide cybersecurity can be. So you need to be able to narrow down, know what you want to do, know your personality, know your strengths, know your weakness, and know how you can go into cybersecurity and be successful. And not just going quickly and getting hold of cybersecurity within a very short time. So there are a lot of attacks, things going on the cyberspace. So you need to be certain about which path you need to take. One of the answers to making use of all these things I've been talking about is to enroll in a mentorship program. How do you know how do you make use of trial? How do you make use of hack the box? How do you make use of the book I've mentioned about? How do you make use of the free resources that are available here? You need a mentorship program. Take your time, copy this link or write it down. I'm going to also put it in the description to this in the comment section and in the description. I'm also going to share this link in the WhatsApp group for those of you who have signed up to the WhatsApp group. You will be able to access the ebook, you'll be able to access the mentorship program, and you'll be able to access the free gift I'm giving out. Also,